Welcome students. Come back with another question. Find the area bounded by the curves x square is equal to 4y and x is equal to 4y minus 2. Here two curves given. Writing two curves equation x square is equal to 4y, name it number 1 equation, and x is equal to 4y minus 2, name it number 2 equation. Obviously the first equation of the parabola, and second equation of the line. Draw a rough sketch this is O, x-axis, y-axis. Obviously the graph of curve 1 is like this, where O is the vertex, and to draw the equation of the line, express this equation number 2 in intercept form. So x minus 4y by minus 2, that is equal to 1, or x by minus 2 plus 2y, write that half is equal to 1. So equation of this line 2, suppose this is 1 minus 2 and y half, this is half, so the line will be like this. We need to find these 2 points. To find these 2 points, let these and name P and Q. Solve 1 and 2. So from 1, x square is equal to 4y, or x square is equal to 4y means x plus 2, 4y means x plus 2, writing here how x plus 2, from 2, 4y is equal to x plus 2. Now x square minus x minus 2, that is equal to 0. Factorize and solve it. X minus 2 into x plus 1, that is equal to 0. Equating separately these two factors to 0, the values of x and y, the values of x, first value is equal to minus 1 and second value 2. So equation coordinates of these 2, 0, and coordinates of this minus 1, 0. So here equation of the line, this is upper curve, and equation of the parabola lower curve. Therefore, to find the area of this portion bounded this curve, must be integrating minus 1 to 2, we should write the area of POQ. Here we may give another name C. POQC, area of POQC, that is equal to, what will be upper curve, equation of the curve PQ, y, find from equation to y is equal to, now here finding from 2 y is equal to x plus 2 by 4, and from 1 y is equal to x square by 4. So minus 1 to 2 upper curve, this x plus 2 by 4 minus lower curve x square by 4 dx. One mistake, this will be square, y is equal to x square by 2. So next, so therefore that is equal to, what will be, taking out common 4 outside and integrating this, integrating y, see, x plus 2 integrating x square by 2 plus 2x minus x square, integration of x square, x cube by 3, x varies from minus 1 to 2, x that is equal to this. So according to law of integration, 1 by 4, first put the value of 2 square means 4 by 2 plus 2 into 2, 4, minus 2 cube, 8 by 3, minus we will write this thing after putting the value of x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 square means 1, so minus half. Replace x by minus 1, minus 2. Whenever it will be replaced, it means x will be replaced by minus 1, x cube will be minus 1, minus minus plus, another minus, finally minus 1 by 3. So 1 by 4. Here first 2, 1 the 2, 4, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6, minus 2, minus 2, 4, finally 4, minus half, minus these 2 added, 8, 9 by 3, minus 8 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 9 by 3, this will be 3, that is equal to 1 by 4, 4 minus 3, 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 1, 1 minus half, see one mistake is here, whenever it will be x replaced by minus 1, minus 2 and another minus, it will be plus. So 4 plus 2 plus to 8. This will be 8 minus half minus 3, 8. So 8 minus 3, 5. That's all. I think no here any mistake now. 1 by 4. This will be 5 into 2, 10, 9 by 2. That is equal to 9 by 8.